Early childhood education. Pre-writing skills, also called writing readiness, means preparing the child to write neatly. Pre-writing skills are the fundamental skills children need to develop before they are able to write. These skills contribute to the child's ability to hold and use a pencil and the ability to draw, write, copy, or color. Why are writing readiness activities are important? When pre-writing skills are underdeveloped, it can lead to frustration and resistance due to the child not being able to produce legible writing or to keep up in class due to fatigue. This can then result in poor self esteem and academic performance. So, my dear teachers, let us give a happy, holistic development to these kids by giving pre-writing skills activities or writing readiness activities. Play doh activity. Giving children play doh and asking them to make different shapes. If you don't have play doh, you can even prepare in the classroom. The ratio is 1 cup of maida, 1 cup salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix all these with the help of water to make a dough. That will be very beautiful. It won't stick to the hands. If you want, you can even add color in the dough. And the dough will be very smooth to handle. Child loves to play with the dough. Threading activity. Just take a thread, thick thread, and ask them to insert beads in the thread. Lacing activity. Just give them the lace and ask them to insert the lace through the holes. Here different shapes are there: butterfly, star, circle, flower. They have to just insert the lace through the holes. Cutting activity. Children love to do this activity. We will get in the market a special scissors, plastic scissors, where the child won't be able to harm himself or others. We can bring that scissors and give them with the help of guidance. Child can do this activity. Scribbling activity. Just give the child crayons and ask him to scribble inside the lines. Initially, the child won't be able to hold the crayon properly like this. He will be simply holding it in this way or this way or this way. Different ways he will be holding. But don't worry, allow him to hold in any ways and then let him scribble. Coloring activity. Color with good combination and follow one direction. Along with writing skills, children improve their concentration and good coordination between eyes and hand. Thumbprint tree. Take some paint and dip your thumb in it. Press on paper to make thumb impressions. Repeat for trunk with brown color. Along with pre-writing skills, children experience the joy of thumb painting and make a beautiful picture. Craft with newspaper. Tear newspaper into tiny bits. Apply glue on paper and paste bits of paper. Along with pre-writing skills, tearing paper will develop their fine muscles. They will learn to use their material within the given space. Join the same and color. Let them take their own color, whatever color they want. Join the same and color. Lots of ladders. Encourage them to use crayons, teachers. They have to draw the lines, trace these lines and color. Initial stages, children will be scribbling. Later, they will be able to color, and next stage, they will be able to color in one direction. Trace the elephant and color. Such a big elephant. Wow! I love tracing. Trace and allow them to color. Here also trace the lines of the spider's web and color. Drive the cars along the road. Just they have to draw these patterns. They are zigzag lines. Zigzag lines. Few more patterns here. Patterns in different directions. When we allow children to do these activities, they develop fine motor skills and will be able to hold the pencil properly because their fine muscles strengthen. It gives strength to the fine muscles, and when the fine muscles are strengthened, they get the proper hold and will be able to hold the pencil properly and able to write. This is how we will be developing the readiness for writing. Without giving these writing readiness activities, if we force the child to write alphabet or numbers 1, 2, 3, what happens, teachers? The pre-writing skills, when they are underdeveloped, it can lead to frustration and resistance due to the child not being able to produce legible writing, and that result in poor self-esteem and academic performance. So my dear teachers, please encourage children to do pre-writing activities first and then go for writing. Trace the fish and color. and color. Trace each line with a different color. Find the odd one out. Color the things that are the same. Car and car. Shirt and shirt color. Here, fish and fish. Butterfly and butterfly. Mug and mug. Color the things that are the same. Draw a line. Simply hold the crayon and draw the line along with the pattern. Such a long line, long, long line. It's a beautiful circle.